Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Windows 11 without losing any data that is stored on your device. Now, this process is quite detailed, so do follow along and don't skip any steps. So the reason I am recording like this is because I'm going to be going into the back end of the system and I cannot screen record here. So we have our PIN, and let's say we have forgotten this PIN or this password. So you have the I forgot my PIN option. We also have the sign in options, which are alternative sign in options, right? But what we're going to do is we're going to travel down to the right hand side and you can see a power button. Now on your keyboard, you're going to hold in shift and you're going to click the power button and you're going to click the restart button, and then you're going to click on the restart anyway. All right, you can now release your finger from the shift button. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing is we will see this screen. It'll say, please wait. And the next screen you see, you will have your back end options. Okay, so here you may be able to use your mouse, or you can use your keys to navigate, your arrows up and down and left and right. So we're going to go to troubleshoot and we're going to hit enter. Now from here you want to look for advanced options, and here we're going to look for command prompt, which is right at the bottom on the left hand side. Now once we're in command prompt, you will see that this is in fact the window that we get, right? So let's just make that a little bit bigger, and the first thing we want to type is C, because generally we will have everything stored on our C drive. So we're going to type in C and then we're going to hit the colon and we're going to hit enter. Now the next thing you're going to type here is CD space Windows. Okay, and once you've typed that, you are going to tap enter. All right, so the next command is CD space system 32, and we are then going to hit enter. Now from here we are now in our system 32. So here we are going to type REN space UTILMAN. Okay, we are then going to put a full stop and we are going to say EXE. That is the next command, and from there you are going to say space and UTILMAN 1.exe. All right, that is the next command, and you're going to hit enter, and from here you are going to go REN space CMD.exe. Okay, we're going to space and we're going to go UTILMAN. This is then the .exe file that we are looking for, and we're going to hit enter. Okay, so this now basically allows us to get our control panel or our command prompt during our sign-in process. Okay, from here you can just type in exit and you're going to hit enter, and you'll get back to here, to this page, and here you are going to tap on the continue, which is the exit and continue to Windows 11. Now if you have entered all of these commands correctly, you will now get back to your sign in page. Now on the bottom right hand side you will find the accessibility tools, okay, and the logo is a little man, and we're going to go again and we're going to hit enter and we'll have this page. Now on the bottom right hand side, as I mentioned, we've got the accessibility tools, and we're going to now tap on that accessibility. Now you will see that it'll actually bring up the command prompt rather than bringing up our accessibility tools. Now the command that we're going to put in here is control space user passwords. Okay, and the number 2, and we're going to hit enter. Now from this window here, we can then go ahead and choose our username, and then because I'm the only user on this device, the reset password over here is not available for me to use. However, that is where you will reset your password, tap on apply and OK, and then you are going to close command prompt. Once you close command prompt, you'll be able to go ahead right here and enter in that password that you just used. Now, if this guide was helpful, don't forget to give us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.